Ito po, may babasahin po ako sa inyo. Dito po sa archive na to, ay hahanapin lang po ninyo yung issue tungkol sa paggamit ng picture ni Jesus sa panahon nila. Hindi po ngayon issue sa atin ngayon lang yan. Noon pa, pinag-usapan na yan kung dapat ba tayong gumamit ng illustration ng picture ng Panginoon. The first Ellen G. White book to be illustrated was Spirit of Prophecy, published in 1884. Kailan daw? 1884. As it was brought out for the use of our culture in a volume entitled The Great Controversy. There are a number of illustrations in this book. And facing page 332, there is a picture of Christ healing the demonic. Thus, we have in Mrs. White's first book published for sale to the general public, a picture representing the ministry of Christ in which appears, while she was not directly responsible for the selection of the picture for her books, yet she was consulted. Doon sa Spirit of Prophecy na na-publish daw noong 1884, ito yung dala ng mga colportor, yung The Great Controversy, na meron pong mga illustration. So, doon sa page 332, ay meron doong picture ni Jesus nung siya'y nagpapagaling. Kaya meron tayo sa unang aklat ni Mrs. White at nailathala para ibinta ng pangkalahatan sa publiko. Ayan o, ito yung pagtatalakayan po nila, ito po yung pag-uusap nila para mapatunayan na si Mrs. White hindi kontra sa picture. Isang larawan na kumakatawan sa ministeryo ni Kristo, ito po yung nagpapagaling siya ng demonic. Thus, we have in Mrs. White's first book published for sale in the general public a picture representing the ministry of Christ in which appears, while she was not directly responsible for the selection of the picture for the book, yet she was consulted. Ayan. Hindi daw siya direktang responsable para sa pagpili ng picture para sa kanyang mga libro, ngunit siya po ay kinonsulta. Hindi siya ang naglagay doon sa picture, pero ikinonsulta ito sa kanya. Na ano yun? Doon sa page 332, naroon ang picture ng Panginoon na nagpapagaling. Ayan. So, ang sabi ni Brother Nero, walang liwanag si Mrs. White dito. Kita mo na. Para lang mabintama siya, okay lang na si Mrs. White ay mali. Basta siya ay tama. Ganon. Ito yung next page. Yan, ilagay ulit natin to. This picture appears in 1888 edition of Great Controversy. This was an enlarged volume representing this material more fully. And the same illustration is used facing page 514. So, yung picture na ito na lumabas noong 1888 sa edition ng Great Controversy, ito ay isang malaking volume na nagpapakita na ito'y mas maganda. At ang ganun ding larawan ay ginamit at nakikita po ito doon sa page 514. The next, Ellen G. White book carrying illustrations touching on life of Christ, one sought from the mouth of blessing. Ito po ay libro, mga kapatid. So, ang ibig sabihin, ang sumunod daw na aklat ni Mrs. White ay na may picture din at may kinalaman naman to sa buhay ni Kristo ay ang aklat na Thought from the Mount of Blessing na nailathala noong 1896. Ang sabi po dyan, we employed a Mr. Menti to paint a number of pictures for use in this book. There are 3 illustrations picturing Christ in His ministry of His sacrifice on the cross. Ayun na yun, mga kapatid. So, tingnan po ninyo, nung meron daw picture doon, nung si Kristo ay maipako sa cross. Ito ang kagandahan. The years after this, in 1898, Mrs. White's book, The Desire of Ages, appeared. This was rather profusely illustrated and many of the pictures depicted the life of Christ and were either painted originally for this book or were drawn from very old master artists. But therefore, she brought out any books with illustrations. Mrs. White arranged for the production of a painting illustrating Christ, the way of life. She registered this for copyright in the year 1883. The fact that her name appeared in the copyright. Oh, paano ngayon yan? Ngayon, ang mahirap ho dito, mga kapatid, ewan ko na lang kung maniwala ho kayo. Kasi ang sinasabi ni Brother Nero dito, walang liwanag si Mrs. White dito. At siya tuloy ang may liwanag. Mga kapatid, ewan ko kung maniniwala pa ho kayo rito. Huwag niyong iisipin na pinapahiya ko siya. Brother Nero, ikaw uli yung nagbukas nitong topic na to. Halughugin mo na lahat ng sulat ni Mrs. White at susundan kita.